All right, hello. This is part one of Tableau for this week. We're going to be making the dashboard and the story from the first example. So we'll start by making the two dashboards. So the first dashboard, I believe, is quantity and sales by country. All right, quantity, sales by country. And we're going to set the filter here for this one. So we can filter by country if we want to. And that looks good. So we will make the second dashboard. The second dashboard will be sales by category and sales by table. And we're going to set the filter to the table here so we can sort it by the year. And that looks good. And we're going to now create the story. So the story is going to be the two dashboards. So this will be dashboard 1. Plop this guy here, and we will have the other one be dashboard 2, and we'll plop the other dashboard here. And now if we so choose, we can present it, and it is an interactive dashboard, so we can filter what we want, go to the next dashboard, and filter the years we want. And that is it for the very first video. All right, so this will be the explanation for the second Tableau part of this week. So we made this here dashboard. So where did we begin? I guess this will be the best how to explain it. We divided the country into different regions. There was originally a region column, but we don't have to do it that way. We could manually select each state and combine them as a group to have there be their own region, which we did. So these are the groups we made. Going back to here now, we made a pie chart for each region describing the 3 categories in the sales, that is technology, furniture, and office supplies. And within those, we had to make our own calculation with sales percentage to add this percentage that you see here on all of these. So that had to be its own calculation and inputted onto the pie chart. Pie chart can be increased or decreased. We could change labels, which we did do a decent amount, kept it at 10 size font. But yeah, we'll go to the dashboard now, and we could add pictures to describe who owns which area. So I just used some of my friends. So my buddy Wade and his friend the Pirates own the West. My buddy Scott owns the middle, I guess it's called, Midwest. I'm not sure what this is just the straight up middle of the U.S. because the Midwest is kind of over here. Anywho, my buddy Ian owns the South, and I'm in the North here. So the way we do that is we just add image here, and you can choose whatever image you want. And yeah, that's basically it. We had to also, for these and for everything, we had to make them float. Just so we could... it allows them to not take up the entire... it's like if they don't float, they take up the whole section. Let me try to describe this poorly. So it would float and it would just take up this whole part of the screen. But if we float it, we can manipulate it more and put it where we want to. So yeah, that is basically about it for this week. Yeah,